time, I will show you how to preserve fish, which is also called as salted fish. And in the Philippines, it is called Tuyo. So there's two simple ingredients. We have here the fish, and we have here Himalayan salt or rock salt. This fish is the perfect size to make tuyo. So the first thing to do to preserve a fish is sprinkling salt on the fish. Once you're done sprinkling the salt on the fish, we'll put it on a bamboo tray and keep it under the sun so that it can become dry or dehydrated. See? Once it's dehydrated, we can store it for 6 months or 1 year. It depends on how you're going to store the fish or tuyo. And guys, this tuyo or fish is very tasty when you fry it, and it's very crunchy, trust me. If you tried this before, it's so yummy in the Philippines. They're selling it all over in the world, and this is the perfect combination with fresh tomato, fried rice, and coffee. And this is the most perfect breakfast. I recommend you trying this. So guys, that's how you make tuyo or preserved fish. So guys, this is what it looks like when you sprinkle it with salt. I hope you had learned something on this video, or I hope you know something about this video, because if you haven't tried this yet, I recommend you trying it. It's so yummy and crunchy if you fry it. Bye guys, hope to see you in our next video.